How long have you been using the RealSAM product, and what has your overall experience been with the product?
So I suppose into the 2016, voice recognition was kind of just developing. We just had the Amazon Alexa devices launched in the UK, which, was an exciting departure. And I always remember the first time I got my hands on the device, I thought, I'll give it a little bit of a test.
Mm.
So I'm from Scotland, as you might guess. And I thought, let's give it let's find out the weather in a really sort of difficult Scottish town pronunciation. So I said to the device, what's the weather in Echo-Fechan, which is a little town in the Scottish borders. And it got it, and it came back with, the weather in Echo-Fechan is, and that really, from then on, I thought this product, is going to be a game changer for people, because it's able to pick up on accents, it's able to, difficult pronunciations. And, that was really just the start of our kind of voice input recognition journey.
Mm.
And of course, we've come a long way since then. I guess when we started selling the product, I was directly involved in promoting it and indirectly involved in supporting it. And an elderly gentleman, got in touch to ask a few questions. That he purchased the product, and he said to me, this is the first time I've been able to read a newspaper in 19 years, since I lost my sight. So he had the product with the RNIB newsagent service on it, and he's able to, access these newspapers and listen to them, on a daily basis. So, I think it has been a game changer for lots of, people around the world who access, books, books, newspapers, magazines, and then, laterally being able to use other functions on the device as well.
I'm really glad to hear that. I think that's a really interesting thing to point out about the accents, because obviously, it's an accessible phone. And I think that if it wasn't able to, we're selling to people all over the UK. If it wasn't able to comprehensively understand people's accents, then it isn't an accessible phone at that point, is it? So I'm
Yeah.
really glad that you brought that point up.